ఉన్నారు? వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ వన్ స్టాప్ అట్ సింధు. ఏంటిది ఇవాళ వితౌట్ మేకప్ ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చింది, ఏం చేసి చూపిస్తుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నారా? మీకు వచ్చేసిందిగా ఒక గెస్, అది కరెక్టే అండి. ఇవాళ నేను మీకోసం మేకప్ వీడియో చేసి చూపిస్తాను. అండ్ ఆ మేకప్ వీడియో ఏంటి అంటే, నేను మేకప్ చేసుకుంటూ ఈచ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ దేనికోసం యూస్ చేస్తాము, అదెందుకు అనేది చెప్తూ మేకప్ చేస్తూ చూపిస్తాను. Let's start the process. So before doing makeup, you have to pamper your skin little bit. So for that, I am using a toner. This is a toner which I got from Muji. Okay, whatever the products I'll show in the camera, even if it is not clearly visible, it's okay. I'll put all the links in the description so you can go and refer there. Okay, fine. So as I said, we need to pamper our skin. So I did my face wash. I didn't apply anything. It's dry as of now. Okay, fine. Let me tell what is my skin type. It's not any acne prone, or it's not pure oily or dry skin. Mine is, I can say, a mixed kind of, this part of area is a little bit dry and this part of our area is quite oily. So mine is a mixed kind of skin tone. So I'm using a light toning water. This works as a moisturizer also, but still first I apply a toner and then I apply a moisturizer also. Okay, let it dry for just 30 to 40 seconds. It has to go inside your skin. You should not feel that oiliness on it. And one more thing, while doing makeup, always remember, whatever you apply on face, apply on your neck also, because everything should look even. Next, I'm applying a moisturizing cream. This is Aveeno. This also acts as one layer before makeup. And whenever you put any cream, any toner, anything on your face, always you should rub it upwards like this. Same thing, this should also get dry. So now I'm using a primer before applying the foundation. This is a Huda Beauty primer. Okay, I'm applying this product directly on my face. Why we use primer is like it gives a smooth look, a smooth finishing to your face, and kind of polishing look also. You have to pat it very gently and this has to get right. Now I'm going to apply a MAC foundation. I'm taking a product directly into my hands. Don't skip any part of this video so that you will understand why you will use each product, what is the purpose and how to apply everything. If you want to know very clearly, don't skip the video. You can use a brush also for foundation spreading, or you can use your hands also. You can use a sponge like this. Remember to cover your ears part also, because everything should look even. Use a loose powder just to avoid that kind of oiliness because of the foundation what we get. Just spread it on your face. So I'm using a yellow powder which I have in my corner. So this one I'm using. Okay, spread at the area where mostly oil generates on your face. Okay, or just you can give one coat to whole face also. So I'm going to do eyebrows filling part. I'm using a Chamber eye palette. I'm comfortable to use this small brush, whatever I got with the palette. You can use your own brush also. eye makeup. I'm using a Huda Beauty eye palette. Okay, as I'm wearing a yellow pink combination, let me put a base of this one, this color, that is sandalwood. It is always good to start with the eye makeup, because you know, when you use this eye brushes and spread on your eyes, there will be chances of falling that eye powder on these cheeks. So if you all do face makeup and do eye makeup, you know, it may get spoiled and difficult to adjust it also. So better to do it before. That is how I follow. On top of this, it's a light pink, right? So I'm going to use this pink, that is a doll face. Let me apply kajal. This is Kalabar. As I always says, before applying kajal, tap with your finger. Before doing contouring, let me tell you guys why we do contouring. I guess most of you people already know this, but let me tell it. You have to choose darker shades than your complexion. Now I'm going to apply this shade, okay? This is actually a precision foundation brush, but I'm using this for contouring my nose. You can see a line. Why I have applied contouring powder here. I want to make my nose look slim. That's the reason I have just given a highlight of this line here and here, so that after contouring it looks like a sharp nose. And if you want to give contouring here also, I mean you want to give a sharp look to your cheeks, like a thin sharp looks to your lower jaw, you can do contouring this part and this part. Based on your face structure, you have to go through this. Okay, now I don't want to do any contouring here and here. I want to do just nose contouring. I always put one wet tissue packets with me while doing makeup, because if something goes wrong, then and there itself I can sort it out. I'm comfortable using this eye makeup brush because this is a very thin line, right? So I feel comfortable with this. That's why I'm using it. First, let me put some loose powder. Basically, why I used this loose powder is like to get rid of oil prone and sweat prone zones. Okay, let me put liner. So let me apply the liner. I'll show you how to do wing liner very easily. This side I have already done it. I'll show you this side, okay? Because usually for most of the people, doing left side is very difficult. So I want to show the left side, okay? I'm using a chamber eyeliner. This end of your eye, just draw a line towards upwards, okay? Slightly draw a line and join that above part of this line. I usually prefer the liquid one and the sketch one, both depends on my urgency. You know, if you use the sketch one, it gets dry just like that. Liquid one will take little bit time, okay? Let me apply mascara. So before applying mascara, I'm going to just curl my eyelashes with this curler. Why we do this is because you don't want to put the artificial lashes on your eyes, but you want to give a thick volume or a wavy look to your lashes. It's always a good practice just use this curler and curl your lashes. I'm using a Calabar mascara, and this have one speciality. Okay, this particular mascara, if you need a broad mascara, I mean a broad lashes look, you have to use this brush. And you don't want to highlight like that, you can use this small brush, you know, this one. Okay. And one more thing, always while applying mascara, you have to just twist it towards upwards like this. Highlighter, I'm using this from Maybelline, Master Chrome from Maybelline. Tap it and use on your nose some part. And take and give a stroke here. And one more stroke here. Okay. And this part. Okay, I'll adjust them. Just pat it like this. If you are comfortable with brush, you can do same with brush also, but fingers also serve the same purpose. Okay, and here I want to highlight particularly these parts on my face, so I have applied highlighter here, and you can apply here also and here also. I want to highlight this particular area of my eye, so I'm using a retraceable lip brush. Many people apply blush and then highlighter. I want to, I want my blush to look more because I want to be a pinky baby today. I have an orange shade and a light pink shade here. I would like to go with a pink shade with this is a multi-purpose brush, I can say. Guys, you can do makeup always according to your taste. Like this should come first, that should come first, and this should come next. You are not a pro, you are doing your own makeup, so be comfortable on what you are doing. Don't make it a disaster. Follow the steps coolly and do it properly. Final touch up, I'm using a MAC compact. I want to highlight this part also. If I highlight this before when I apply compact, this will go off. Before applying lipstick, it's always good to use a lip balm or lip primer. I'm using a Mamaearth lip balm. This is a transparent one. This won't give any color. This on this part till this get dry. I'll apply a liner. Huda Beauty lipstick. I'm using this MAC Preppers Prime Fix makeup spray. Why I use this spray is like this spray you can use either before makeup or after makeup. It suits your skin, so that's the reason. And you should put it 12 inches away from your face and just spray on it on your face. Hydrates your skin instantly, and after applying makeup also it won't give that such kind of artificial look and accessories. So hope you guys like this look and hope you guys find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and yes guys, subscribe చేసుకోండి. మీరు నా ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నారా లేదా? చేసుకోకపోతే ఇప్పుడే వెళ్ళి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నాక కింద ఒక బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. సో దట్ నేను వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేయగానే మీకు టంగని నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. So guys, see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Keep smiling and keep supporting. Bye guys.